Hi there, welcome to Aphex, the fastest way for construction teams to plan together, whether it's a 4-week look ahead or longer term schedule. Let me show you how you can replace that collection of spreadsheets in just a couple of minutes. Building plans is fast and straightforward. Right now, I need to add a new abutment sequence into my existing plan. Let's create an abutment folder and add in some tasks. With that done, I'll drag and drop links to create sequences. I can even create them faster using this linking feature. Now I will adjust the dates and durations by moving the bars around and I'm done. By the way, Aphex imports from Excel, Project, P6 or Raster. So if I did have a plan already, I can quickly import that. Collaboration is core to Aphex. Every task has an owner that is responsible for updating the plan and getting it built. Whether it's just me and my project or 100 people. We can all work together in a connected space, creating views of the work that matters to each of us. Let's focus in on the structures team, which includes George and Millie. Okay, for my next weekly planning meeting with this team, I'll switch to the work breakdown structure, bringing everyone's separate plans together. On this project, like many others, coordinating resources across our team is a challenge. In this case, it's concrete supply. Rather than using multiple spreadsheets to track and communicate resource demand, we can directly assign the concrete we need to our plan. Let's turn on the resource overlay to understand exactly what we need from our concrete supplier. Aphex will even let me know about resource demand from other team members that I might not have thought to look for. In this case, I can see 4 other engineers planning a pour on the same day. I might choose to show the entire project's concrete demand to see how it fits together. While the Gantt view is great for laying out my schedule, I can really bring it to life by reviewing things on the map. In Aphex, tasks can be linked to the space they will occupy on site to generate real-time sequence maps and a powerful communication and review tool. Here's what's happening today, tomorrow, and the day after. It's not just my work I can see, but everyone's happening around me. This is an awesome way to brief the project team about next week's plan. Now that I've got everyone's plan in one space, let's take a look at how I can quickly share this to anyone on the project. For the site team, I'd like to keep it simple. I'm going to use the map to generate a day-by-day sequence deck in PDF. That way, supervisors can physically print it out and include it in their shift briefings. For our subcontractors and supply chain, I want to give them the ability to group, sort, filter, or generate printouts for themselves. So rather than spending hours printing out versions of the plan for everyone, I'm going to share this week's plan to web. Anyone that has this link can view a read-only version of the project schedule. And again, they can control their own view, allowing me to get back to work. So that's Aphex, the fastest way for construction teams to plan together. Get started for free or book a demo to see how Aphex can unlock delay tracking, performance analysis, and tie your existing tools together.